back again, my YouTube audience, and here is a new video for you guys. And this is a new discovery. You might know about this before, or you are new to this idea. And the idea is about how to remove watermark from an image. Okay, so now we'll be downloading an image and we'll try this trick on it. Let's check if it's going to work. Okay, so I click on the search menu here and let's just random text. Anything, you can just download any image. Just make sure they have a good quality. Okay, I like this one. And there sometimes you download an image and you just like the image, you don't want to leave it, or a background, you don't want to lose it, and it's having watermark. So watermark will not make your design so beautiful. So and this is an example of it. So this is it. You are having a Dreamtime watermark on this, which we don't want. So to download it, you just zoom it in and long press and click on download image. Okay, let's download it. We already have it in our gallery, so it's downloaded. Now to remove the watermark, this is the site we'll be using, which is watermark remover. .io. Okay, let's wait for it to load. So this is the site, so click on English. Not necessarily English. Okay, that's changed. Now remove watermark for free. That's just upload an image. Then you upload an image. It's going to be files for our gallery, and you upload an image. So this is the image we just download. We click on done. Image processing, please wait. Okay, it's loading our image. We can it's going to ask us to upload as the PNG, JPEG, web. You can even copy and paste the URL of an image you found online and paste it here. So this is the image we upload, and this is the image. This is the watermark they remove for us. Let's download it and see. Let's download it and let's click on open. Wow, this is okay. This is good for a design. Okay, so you can go and check it out. I'm going to drop the link to reach this site in the description box. Okay, and make sure you follow me for more videos like this and wonderful trick more than this. Okay, stay tuned. See me next week Friday. Okay, bye.